Final question for today is from Adil from Hong Kong. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
Yes, Sheikh. My question is,
Speak up, akhi. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Better?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I have a group of friends who are participating in a football tournament that has an entry fee and also prizes at the end, which I understand it comes under the ruling of gambling. So I will be participating in this, and what I offered was to pay for all of them on their behalf, and I thought that would lift the burden off of them, but then I realized it probably won't lift the burden off of me. So in this case, is the only way to make this halal is if I withdraw from the competition and then pay for them, because if I don't do that, most likely they will continue with the tournament and just pay themselves, so they will continue with this sin.
Of course, you have done wrong by participating or by paying off the entry fee on their behalf. And this is totally wrong. You have to ask Allah for forgiveness and withdraw from this competition altogether. And if you can take your money from them, that would be the right thing to do. If not, then just repent and show remorse, and there would be no sin on you. But from now on, you should have asked before attempting to do such a haram action from without inquiring about the permissibility of it. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. This is all the time we have until we meet tomorrow at 4 o'clock. I'll leave you fi amanillah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.